Hey guys, we're back here again. Got another video here for you. We'll be doing the test of the good old new and improved USGI Tan Enhanced magazine. This is the EPM magazine, Enhanced Performance magazine. I got about 10 rounds of good old tried and true American Eagle stuff in here right now. So we'll try it through the Voltar lower and the 20-inch area, or a 20-inch FN USA upper. This one's supposed to have the enhanced feeding angle. So the feeding angle is basically, it ignores the M4 feed rams and presents the shell or the bullet at a steeper angle. So check it out, make sure it locks in here okay. Looks good, locked in okay. Check it out. Off safe, okay. Let's check it out, guys, using the good old 35 grain Federal 223 cheap shit. Ran fine, guys. Perfect, guys. No problem at all. That's a good old tan USGI EPM, or Enhanced Performance magazine. It has the blue or aquamarine follower right here for that, so works okay. And it presents the shell at a steeper angle, so it totally ignores the M4 feed ramps most uppers like this one has right here for reference point. So 2 thumbs up, guys. Good to go.